Dear students, for class 9, our today's topic is chapter 4, linear equation in two variable. And today we are taking some question in the exercise 4.3. Our first question is, draw the graph of 3 equal to 2x plus y. 2x plus y equal to 3 is a linear equation. So the given linear equation is 2x plus y equal to 3. For the plotting the graph on a Cartesian plane, first of all, find the solution of this equation. So, finding the solution, make a table for the x and y, and we should find the minimum two solution. If we put the values of x as our choice, then we will get the corresponding value of y. Put x equal to 0 in the equation, then 2 into 0 plus y equal to 3. 2 into 0 is 0 and 0 plus y is y and y equal to 3. So 0, 3 is the solution. Next, if we put 1, put x equal to 1. Then 2 into 1 plus y equal to 3. 2 plus y equal to 3. And y equal to 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 and 1 is the solution. We will find one more solution. If we put minus 1, put x equal to minus 1. Then 2 into minus 1 plus y equal to 3. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus y equal to 3. And y equal to 3 plus 2. Transpose minus 2 on this side and its corresponding value is 5. So first of all, we are finding the solutions. These 3 zeros, 0, 3, 1, 1 and minus 1, 5 is the solution. Again, for drawing the graph of this linear equation, draw the horizontal and vertical line and make a coordinate plane. So draw a horizontal line and a vertical line and make a coordinate plane. And first of all, choose the scale. In this question, for the x-axis and y-axis, we should take the 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit and draw this graph. So first of all, plot the solution of this. First solution is 0, 3. 0, 3. First move 0 on x-axis, then we are here at origin. And again 3 on y-axis, positive 3, then we move on the upper side. This is 0, 3. 0, 3 is the solution. Next, 1, 1. Here 1 and 1. This point is 1, 1. Next point, minus 1, 5. Move minus 1 on minus x side and then 5. Minus 1, 5. After the plotting of the solution 0, 3, 1, 1 and minus 1, 5, join them and we get a straight line. And this is the graph of the given equation 2x plus y equal to 3. Give the equation of two lines passing through the point 214. 214 is the given point and find the equation of two lines. Again, how many more such lines are there? For this point, how many more such lines can pass through this and why? This is our question. So first of all, find the equation of two lines passing through this point 214. Suppose this is a point 214 in a coordinate plane, and find the equation of two lines. First line, second line. Find the equation of two lines. This point is 214. 214 is a given point. In this point, 2 is the x coordinate and 14 is the y coordinate. So the equation of two lines passing through 214 are, first equation we can add it. 2 plus 14 is 16, so x plus y equal to 16. This is the one equation. Another equation we can subtract it, then x minus y, and 2 minus 14 is minus 12, so it's equivalent to minus 12. These are the two equation passing through these 2 points, and we can find many more lines. Infinite many lines can we determine it, because it is a given single points. Next question is, how many more such lines are there? How many more such lines are there? Infinite many lines. And why? Because infinite many lines can pass through a given single point. So how many more such lines are there? So infinite many lines pass through to 14, because infinite many lines can pass through a given or a single point. Next question is, if the point 34 lies on the graph of the equation. Point 34 lies on the graph of the equation. So suppose this is a line and point 3 lies on this. So 34 lies on this graph. Therefore 34 is a solution. Every point lies on the graph of the equation. These are the solution. So the 34 lies on the graph of the equation 3y equal to ax plus 7, and find the value of a. Here a is a coefficient of x and we should find the values of a. Then 34 lies on the graph of the equation 3y equal to ax plus 7. Therefore 34 is a solution of this equation. And it is a solution, then put the values of x and y. X is 3 and y is 4. So 3 into 4 equal to a into 3 plus 7. 3 into 4 is 12 and 3a plus 7. Transpose 7. 12 minus 7 equal to 3. 12 minus 7 is 5. 5 equal to 3a. Again cross multiplied it. 5 upon 3 equal to a. Hence we find the value of a is 5 upon 3. Our next question is, the taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8. and for the subsequent distance it is rupees 5 per kilometer. After the first kilometer, for every kilometer fare is rupees 5. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare as rupees y, and write a linear equation for this information and writes a graph. This is our question, and it's very important question, so concentrate it. Again we will read it. The taxi fare for a city: for the first kilometer the fare is rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance it is rupees 5 per kilometer, and we will start from this given information. So we should start our solution. First, the given information is fare for the first kilometer is rupees 8, and fare for the subsequent distance rupees 5 per kilometer. Again these two information are also given. The total distance covered is x kilometer and total fare paid is rupees y. So total distance covered is x kilometer and total fare equal to rupees y. This is the initial information are given for this question. Fare for the first kilometer rupees 8, for every kilometer rupees 5, total distance x kilometer, and total fare is rupees y. And we should calculate our total fare. Total fare is y. So by which way we are calculate the total fare, and then we will find our equation. So we draw this information for the understand part. Suppose this is total distance. Total distance is x kilometer. So this is the x kilometer, and for the total distance for the initial first kilometer we are paying rupees 8, and again for every kilometer rupees 5. So the total distance is x kilometer. This is the first 1 kilometer, then remaining distance is x minus 1 kilometer. So the first of all we should find the fare for the first kilometer. It is given 8 kilometer, and fare for the x minus 1 kilometer, then x minus 1 multiplied by 5. So find the fare for x minus 1 kilometer. X minus 1 is the subsequent distance for this total distance. So the x minus 1 into 5. Initial first kilometer, its fare is 8 into 1 is 8 rupees, and this is the fare for x minus 1 kilometer, and total fare is rupees y. Then we can find the total fare. Total fare, and total fare is equivalent to fare for first kilometer plus fare for x minus 1 kilometer. Fare for first kilometer plus fare for x minus 1 kilometer. Here total fare is rupees y, and its equivalent to fare for the first kilometer is 1 into 8, because its fare is given rupees 8, plus the x minus 1 kilometer, here x minus 1 into 5. This is the equation, and we can simplify it. 8, 5 multiplied this, 5x, 5 into 1 is minus 5, and y equal to 8 minus 5 is 3 plus 5a. Transpose y, so 5x minus y plus 3. So 5x minus y plus 3 equal to 0 is the required equation. And again, draw its graph. This is the last part. First, write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. This is the linear equation for this information. And again, we should draw its graph. For drawing the graph of this linear equation, our equation is 5x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. So here we transpose 3 on RHS. So 5x minus y equal to minus 3. And initially we will find the minimum 2 solution. Here we can find the 3 solution. Put the values of x as your choice and then find the corresponding values of y. Put x equal to 0. Then 5 into 0 minus y equal to minus 3. 5 into 0 is 0. Then minus y equal to minus 3. Minus and minus are cancelled. Then y equal to 3. This is the first solution. Again put x equal to 1. Then 5 into 1 minus y equal to minus 3. Then 5 minus y equal to minus 3. Transpose 5. Then plus 5 to minus 5. Then minus y equal to minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8. Minus and minus are cancelled, and y equal to 8. Again put x equal to minus 1. So 5 into minus 1 minus y equal to minus 3. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, and minus 5 minus y equal to minus 3. Transpose minus 5. That minus 3 plus 5 is plus minus is minus, and 5 minus 3 is 2. But here minus y equal to minus 2. Then multiplied by minus. Then y equal to minus 2. These are the 3 solutions for this given equation. Again, plot this solution on a Cartesian plane. So for drawing the Cartesian plane, draw a horizontal line and vertical line. Horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. And plot these points. First point is 0, 3. So first x equal to 0 and y equal to 3 is this point. One 8, here x equal to 1 and y equal to 8. 1 8. Minus 1 minus 2, x equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2. After the plotting of this solution, 0 3 1 8 and minus 1 minus 2, join them, and if we join these 3 points by the scale, then we will get a straight line, and this is the required equation 5x minus y plus 3 equal to 0 and its graph.